So we've got all of our queues recorded in our subs and our groups, and we've got our show running. But despite our best intentions, sometimes we have to delete or move things around because it may not be perfect every single time. So let's talk now about how to copy and or delete queues, groups, and subs that you've recorded in the Express console. Deleting and copying are both features that are done in Blind. So let's go ahead and switch into Blind by pushing my Blind key. And the steps to delete, we'll start there, are actually the same for queues, groups, and subs. And the way we want to delete any one of those things is by using soft key 6. In all of these cases, soft key 6 will say delete, and then it will either say queue, sub, or group, depending on what I've selected. So let's first delete a group. So what I'm going to do is when I'm in blind mode, I'm going to hit group, and I'm going to select the number of the group that I want to delete. Let's just say 1, enter, and now I'm looking at group 1. And soft key 6 is a delete group command. So if I hit soft key 6, my command prompt is going to change to say to delete the group, press enter, and I have a flashing delete group that's going and telling me that I'm about to do something that maybe I don't want to do. So I have to be absolutely sure I want to do this. But I am, so I'm going to hit enter. And the console is going to give me one more chance to get out of this. It says to confirm, press enter, and up in my keypad corner it says confirm. And my delete group is still flashing. And yes, I'm positive I want to delete this group, so I'm going to hit enter. And the group is gone. It is completely gone. The same can be done with subs, where if I go into sub mode, I have soft key 6 for delete sub, or if I go into blind queue, soft key 6 is delete queue. So I can do that same procedure for any one of those. Now to copy or to move a queue or a group or a sub from one place to another isn't like copy and paste. Basically what we want to do is we want to take the information and we want to re-record it in the new location. Let's say, for instance, I'm looking here at queue number 1. Maybe this is a beautiful queue, and I think I want to go back to it later on in the show, say in queue number 5. There isn't really a copy command, like a copy paste like you would find in a word processor, but what I can do is I can just re-record this queue somewhere else, and I do that by using my record key. So I'm going to hit record, and I'm going to specify a new location. Let's just say Q5. And hit enter. And now what I have done is I haven't deleted Q1. All I have done is re-recorded it or copied it to Q number 5. I can do the same thing with a sub or a group. Just go to that sub or the group, hit record, specify a brand new number, and hit enter. And that way I've duplicated that record target where it is. And that is how you can copy or delete record targets on the Express console.